Hello, welcome once again to Johnny English. So today what we're going to be doing is talking about phrasal verbs. You may remember that we spoke a few days ago about how important phrasal verbs are to English speakers because we use them all the time in many situations. So to speak English well or to speak it fluently and confidently, it's very important that you understand at least some phrasal verbs and that you are able to use some phrasal verbs as a way of communicating what you want. As English speakers, we will more likely use a phrasal verb than the actual or real verb. So what we're going to do is over the next few days, we're going to teach you a few phrasal verbs. And what we'll also do is we will use the same word as the base word for the phrasal verb. And hopefully that way you'll get to understand how to use them, what they mean, and how they can become part of your everyday language. So today's word is turn. So the first phrasal verb is to turn something into. Okay, turn something into. Now this is what we call a separable phrasal verb. It means you can put a word in between turn and into, and you can put a word here. So for example, turn a shoe into a plant pot. Turn a box into a toy. So that's turn something into something else. That's our first phrasal verb. The other one like it is turn into. Now this is also about something changing, but it's usually without outside influence. So for example, a little caterpillar, will turn into a butterfly. Or the weather in the morning could be quite cold and cloudy, but it turns into a nice sunny day. So that's turn into. The next one is turn something up. That again is separable. Turn something up. So you would turn the radio up. Increase the volume. So to turn up here is to increase the volume. Turn up the radio or turn the radio up. And our final phrasal verb for today is just turn up. So to turn up means to arrive somewhere. So I invited 10 people to my party, but 20 turned up. If we have a party, do you think that many will turn up, that many people will arrive? So there we go. There's 4 phrasal verbs. Turn something into something else. Turn into. Turn something up. And just turn up. So maybe you can practice those. See how you can use them. Look out for them, as always, in things that you read or watch or listen to. And see if then you can start to use them yourself in your daily conversations in English. So thanks again for tuning in, and tune in again tomorrow for our next set of phrasal verbs.